whisper secrets I can't quite grasp.
You're probably wondering how a kid from Australia got his brand up on a billboard in Times Square halfway across the world. Now I'm only going to mention this one time, but the story kicks off after I completed Whop's challenge to make $500 in 1 week on their platform. And how'd I do it? I combined business with AI. But you can ask me way more questions in the free community I made down below. Now sit down, shut up and watch the video. Alright boys, it's still relatively early in the morning, but about to go on over to the airport. Shouldn't be too long. I think flight takes off in like 4 hours or so, but getting there early because it's international flights and I'm used to some delays to say the least. But we got about a 22, 23 hour travel day, which is something light for Australians, used to it, but yeah, it should be chill. Hope nothing goes wrong, but yeah, I'll catch you guys at the airport. Alright boys, still pretty early, but through customs, I think the flight leaves in like an hour, so got some time to big chill. Pretty hassle-free time so far. Feel weird as recording like this, but I'll get used to it. Alright boys, landed in Canada. We got about a 5 hour layover. I'm here with my boy Ben.
Happening boys.
Met him on the flight, but yeah, he's going to what, Banff?
Yeah, going to Banff, flying to Calgary.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna go over to New York. But yeah, catch you guys once we get to New York. Alright boys, made it to NYC. Everything's been pretty chill so far. Nothing's gone wrong, so that's a good thing. But now we head on over to the hotel. Got about like an hour and 20 Uber or something like that, but should be alright. I'll catch you guys once we get there though. Alright boys, made it to the hotel. I gotta be quiet because it's literally almost midnight, but we're about to hit up the crib, check how it is. It's pretty tiny, I'm pretty sure. It's called the Pod, so wouldn't expect much, but after that I might hit the rooftop and see if there's like a rooftop little patio terrace thing I can, you know, just look at, I guess. But yeah, let's find out where our room's at first. Should be in here somewhere. We're looking for 437. 138. There we go, baby. 437. Whop is flying us all out here. I don't know how many thousands, tens of thousands they probably spent on however many creators that they brought out here. So you can't be expecting some 5 million star, you know, hotel for everybody to stay in. But I mean, it's called the Pod, so what would you expect? But here it is. Okay, let me flip this around. Let me start with the camera. You dig what I'm saying? That's me. But here, so literally everything probably fit almost all of it inside the frame. That's literally just the bed taking up the whole room, but then the rest of it is just bathroom like this. Toilet is in the shower, which is kind of crazy, but I mean, yeah, I mean, we're here for like 3 days. Honestly, the thing I'm most excited about for this whole thing is to visit their HQ, see what they got going on over there. Hopefully learn a thing or two. Maybe I can teach some people a thing or two as well. And yeah, by the time I leave, hopefully I got a bunch of different ideas that I can apply to Brand Boost AI. I thought I'd make a quick video before I go to bed. It's about 2 AM right now, so don't have too much time. But yeah, first day, pretty rushed because obviously travel day. But once I got here, I mean, everything is pretty much as you would expect. It's still good quality because I know some people might think that because it's a small room it equals bad quality, but the two can be you know, the two can both exist simultaneously, so you can have a small room and it still be good quality. The main part that all you guys are probably going to want to see is what actually happens on the day of the Whop, I guess, headquarters visit and all that type of stuff. So that's going to be the interesting day. Alright boys, so we're all set up, we're ready to go. My eyes are pretty red, so I threw on some glasses. I don't blame them though, to be honest. It was a pretty long travel day. Got a bit of sleep here and there. Alright boys, so we took a couple-minute walk, and this is it. This is the NFT wall right over here. Guys got Bitcoin sunglasses. Pretty sick. Yeah, let's have a walk around, a little bit more exploring. I'll go down to the riverside. It's just close to the water side. I don't know exactly what the body of water is called. I think I'll probably head back to the crib after this. I freshen up a little bit, go out for dinner, something like that. And tomorrow is the day that we head on over to the Whop headquarters. So I want to make sure I'm not doing any crazy shit tonight, because to be honest with you, I'm not even sure how early we're meant to head on over there. Alright boys, so it is I'm tripping out. Okay, Wednesday night. Yeah, because it's Tuesday night. I knew I was tripping out. So it's Tuesday night. Tomorrow is Wednesday, which is the big Whop day thing, which goes from 10 AM to 4 PM. So about 6 hours in total. it is the day of, or the big Whop day. So I'm literally going to head on over to the headquarters in about, what time is it? Yeah, in about 20 or so minutes here, I'm going to head over to the headquarters, like I said last night, I believe. Alright boys, so we're walking to the Whop HQ now. We're probably about 5 minutes away. Once I get there, I'll see what's the deal with recording and all that, but I'm pretty sure it's all fine. Talk to Noah a little bit about it. You guys will meet Noah if you're going to come. So we do like copywriting, script writing, ways that you can eliminate monotonous tasks, like instead of sending emails like by yourself, you automate it, send a sequence, go like image creation, video creation, that type of stuff. Alright guys, so it's about 6 p.m. now. I just finished up at the Whop HQ. Listen, try to get as much footage as I could. I know I didn't do many segments where I was talking to the camera, but I got heaps of like B-roll footage. I'm not sure if how well you guys can hear me because this generator right here. But yeah, I got enough B-roll footage that hopefully you guys have a good idea of what happens behind the scenes and everything like that. Try to record just about every segment of the day, but I'll be honest guys, obviously later when I get back I'll do like a final review and everything, but this was probably one of the sickest days that you could ever ask from a platform. So like I said, I'll go a little bit more in depth later, but yeah, long story short, went to the Whop HQ, got a talk from some guys who were obviously very important in the Whop company. I forgot to mention, we had lunch, we had snacks, they had everything there. Literally anything you asked, they provided. We took photos, put it up on the wall at the Hall of Fame. I'm happy to do a 24-hour travel day if it means you get to experience the things that I experienced over this day in Whop. Over this time here in New York City. It was obviously a very brief time. Alright boys, so it is Thursday morning. We are currently getting ready to check out from the hotel. It's 11:45, so it's already a little bit late. But yeah, we're going to, honestly I haven't decided whether I'm just going to Uber back or, because I kind of want to go through the subway system, so I might just do that, take a little bit longer. I mean, we got until 6 p.m. I think, until the departure, so but yeah, we're going to go check out, see what we do from there, might grab some food, see where the day takes us. Whereas we decided to go the route of the NYC subways, honestly, just because I wanted to check it out. But yeah, we're about halfway there, so I can try and get some B-roll footage and stuff as we go. A little bit busy, but honestly not bad. Boys, so we finished up with the subways. I think we took 3, and now I think we got 1 more bus until we get to the airport. So that's where I'm heading right now. Alright, I've located where to go. Honestly, it's much easier than what people would probably think it is. There are like a lot of complex, like almost overlapping paths, I guess. But I mean, that's a good thing in a way because there's so many different routes that you can take. But at the same time, it might confuse you a little bit. But I mean, if you miss one thing, you can always get another thing. So we finished 3 train rides. Just got off the bus, so we're back at the airport now. Got about 3 hours until the flight, so probably going to grab some food, go through customs in case any weird shit happens. You never know. But yeah, probably catch you guys once I cleared customs and I'm a little bit more chill. I want to make sure I give a massive shout out to the Whop team for being so professional and prompt in setting everything up. It was a short but incredible couple of days, and if you guys want to talk to me more or know anything about what happened, then the Whop page for my community and brand is in the description down below. I will literally be answering every single question.